Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to proxying Angular 14 to Django backend server by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. At first, create Angular application and also create and implement Django Rest API. Okay, and then open this project and application with text editor and search for proxying for Angular application. Follow this instruction: proxying to a backend server for Angular application. At first, create a file in your project's source folder and add the following content to the new proxy file. Now start the backend development server. Copy this URL and paste here with the port number. Okay, this is the target URL for Angular application to access the REST API. Okay, and then copy this content and open angular.json file, and after builder of serve section, paste this content and here enter the application name. Here application name is front end. Okay, now save this file and then open a new terminal and navigate to the Angular applications root directory and generate a service using this command ng gs. Here enter the service name, my case article. Okay, now expand app subdirectory and then services. Open article.service. To communicating with backend server, we need to use HTTP client module. At first, add HTTP client module to the root app module. Copy this line and open app.module and paste here, and also add this HTTP client module to imports array. Okay, and then import HTTP client into article service. Okay, now inject HTTP client into article service. Okay, now create a service. So define a method. I'm going to name it article list. By this method, I'm going to retrieve article list from backend server. Now return article list from backend server using HTTP get method. Okay, here enter the URL. Okay, Now I am going to display this article list in a component. So open app.component, and here import article service class to inject the dependency article service. Okay, now define constructor, here inject article service. Okay, and also implement ng on init. Okay, now define a method. I'm going to name it show articles. Okay, now call show articles method from ng on init. Okay, now get the service from article service, article list service. Okay, now subscribe article. Okay, now define a property articles of type any. Now hold the articles in this variable. Now I am going to display article list on browser's console. Okay, now start the Angular development server. Inspect and open console. If you get this error, we can fix this. Copy this command and stop the development server, backend server, and here install Django code shaders. Okay, and then follow this documentation. Now add this code shaders application in installed apps array, and then copy this and paste top of the common middleware. Okay, and now copy this and paste here, and here add the URL for the Angular application. Copy this URL and paste here. Okay, now save this file and start the development server and reload Angular application, and you will see the issue has been resolved and accessing the data from backend server. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.